This is going to be my video 2 for aspiring APS Kilopyte and APS Kilopyte that is currently watching me. In today's class, we are going to continue from where we stopped in our previous class. In our previous class, we talked about the process of making money online. And I remember that I told you that keep those processes at your left-hand side so that you don't use it to eat. And make sure you always remember those processes in your journey to making money online, because it is going to help you a lot. Like I said in our previous video, that those processes are divided into 4. The first one is having something of value. The second one is what? Learn the strategies of selling that something of value. Then the third one is that you need to learn the required tools to support that strategy. And then the last one is understand the marketing funnel, otherwise known as the sales funnel. That is exactly what we discussed in our previous class. In today's class, I'm now going to be breaking it down for you. The first thing on the agenda there, which is having something of value. That is the first thing in your making money online. One of the major mistakes that you need to expect money, and immediately they do not see money, they give up from that coach. They go and meet another coach to get another something of value. The person give them something of value, they are still expecting money. You remember, this thing is a process. If you do not follow the process rightly, you will never make money. I say this every time to every of my students that come my way. I'm like, oh, I have not been making money online. I've bought many courses and I'm not making money online. The only truth about it is that all those courses that you are buying, they are really something of value that can actually make you money. But you still remember we have 3 processes left for you to follow in order for you to make the money. So you will not make the money. So now, having something of value is the first thing on the agenda. So you that you are currently watching me, I am sure you might have gotten 1 or 2 values that you might have gotten before from maybe you have learned something before. And I'm sure some people may be thinking they are newbie. You are currently watching me and you are thinking, what is that something of value that this man is actually talking about? So because of you, I'm going to be breaking down that something of value for you so that you too can also understand what we are talking about. Now, something of value can be divided, or let me say something of value is something that when you have it and you give it out to people, they will definitely pay you money because they will get value for what you have given. That thing can be in form of product. It can also come in form of knowledge. It can also come in form of skill. It can also come in form of business. And think about it. Just think about something that is valuable. Well, I'll be stopping at these 4 things that I mentioned here. These things are something of value that you can actually offer to the public in order for you to make money. But remember what I said earlier, that when you have that something of value, you still need to do some other things. Don't just because, okay, I have a product now, maybe I have 100 shoes in my store, maybe I have 100 bags in my store, maybe I'm a digital creator, I've created a lot of digital products. Yes, you have something of value. But remember, there are still some things you need to follow in the process of making money online. But what I am trying to break down here for you is the something of value itself. You need to have that something of value. If you don't have it, then you go and learn it. Okay, you don't have a product, maybe you borrow money or you get your money or you look for money to have that product that you are going to be selling online. Or probably you don't have a skill, just go and look for money to learn a skill. Let's say you have now learned article writing skill, or probably you have learned graphic designing skill, or probably you have learned video editing skill. Those things are something of value that you can offer to people. Or let's even assume that, okay, you are now working in a very big organization, or maybe you even have a company and you want to be making money online and you don't know the process that people that are making the money online are following. You see that company that you have itself, or that business that you have, that is something of value that you can also use to make money online if you follow the remaining processes. But I'm sure by now you understand perfectly what something of value is all about. Like I said, maybe you even have one knowledge that you think somebody did not have, and you also want to be using that thing to make money online. How can you go about it? Maybe you have a handiwork, and that thing, you feel like, oh, I want other people to also know of this thing so that this thing can be beneficial to them. Yes, that thing is something of value, and that thing can actually make you money online. So the first thing on your agenda, if you want to make money online, is to go and get something of value that you can offer to the public. I'm sure you understood perfectly now that before you can make money online, you need to have something of value. So if you have got this correctly, please, I want you to drop it in the comment section that everything I have explained, you understood perfectly, so that in my next video, we can continue from the next thing on our agenda. Thank you so much. If you are one of my students watching this video, I want you to drop your APS code in the comment section of this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in video 3.